Hi, my name is Buck Bonner and I'm standing in Baldridge Marina on the back of a 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. It's one of my favorite models in the Sea Ray lineup, and I'll show you a little bit of why that is. So first off, as you can see on the back of the boat here on the transom, you have underwater lighting on this particular model. You also have your flip down swim step. This is one of the beefiest swim steps in the industry. I've seen a couple on other brands and other models, and none is as solid and sturdy as this. Also, as you can see, we have a massive sun pad here on the back of the boat. So this boat is very nice for entertaining. If you have a lot of people hanging out on the boat, you have a nice big sun pad where you can put several people. You've got your 12-volt chargers for your phones, cup holders. This boat also has the upgraded Fusion stereo system. Stereo system sounds amazing on this boat. Take my word for it, or come listen to it in person. You also have your built-in cooler on the transom as well. So everything can be controlled from the back of the boat. You've got your water, your lounging, your drinks, your stereo control. Everything's, you know, they really did a good job when they designed it, and they thought of everything. This backrest here is reversible backrest, so when no one's lounging on the sun pad, you can put it in the aft position so people can sit on the aft bench here facing forward. As you notice as we step into the cockpit, this is what they call stadium seating, wraparound seating. These backrests at the helm and the port side chair can actuate forward and backwards, creating a full stadium wraparound seating. This boat also comes equipped with a cockpit table, so you can put your table up, everyone can have nice lunch, take a break in the afternoon up under your bimini top. Moving forward in the boat, we'll go to the helm. This boat has the Go 9 Simrad unit, which is going to be great for all your engine data. All the instruments and gauges you would typically have on some of your older model boats is all integrated now into your Simrad unit, as well as a chart plotter. This boat, with the upgraded stereo system, has the Fusion head unit here. This boat has a 6.2 300 horsepower digital throttle engine. Pushes this boat very nicely, even loaded down with people. It's a great power plant for this boat. Here in the floor, you're going to have a built-in storage locker as well. Lots of space. As you can see, this boat comes equipped with the teak cockpit table as well as the bow table, which is a nice upgrade. You got two tables, so when you have, you know, a handful of people on board, you can spread out a little bit. Everyone can have their space. Unique design to this boat, the 250 SDX also has a built-in mini berth. So you have your head, or you can flip this filler cushion down, turning this area into a full lounger. And it's a great spot to get the kids out of the heat for a while, out of the sun. If someone needs to go down and take a nap, also there's a nice storage compartment in there as well. Moving forward, the 250 SDX has a unique side walkthrough to the bow. It's not like your traditional bow riders. This way it actually enables you to have 3 passengers in your bow, all facing forward. You also have cooler storage, lots of cup holders, anchor locker here on your bow. 12-volt plug-ins for chargers. Everything you'd need. This boat also comes with the bow filler cushion, allowing you to turn this gap into a full sun pad, giving you ample space here on the bow to lay out in the sun, or pile some people up in the bow of the boat. This boat is here in Baldridge Marina on the sales dock here in Cumming, Georgia, so come see us and check it out.